hate online leads. Facebook ads doesn't work. Zillow is the devil. It doesn't work. Hello everyone, this is your Coach V here. Today, let's go over these comments and many of the questions that I get. Coach V, should I do Facebook ads? Should I invest time, money, or energy on online leads? Darling, I'm so glad you healed me. Super excited to give you some strategy, some clarity, and power today. Are you ready? Awesome. So let's go over this. First of all, let me be very clear and direct. Online leads works and works beautifully. Now, it only works when you know what to do, when you have the right mindset, when you have the right structure and systems in place, and when you have the proper skills to convert the lead. Okay? So it only works if you have these three things at a high level. You have the right mindset, approach, expectation, optimism, the resilience, the consistency, the persistence, right? When you expect that it works, when you believe it works, when you come from a place of contribution of value, it works. And then of course, if you have the system, you know how many times you're going to follow up during the first days, 2 days, third day. If they have the right systems to follow up throughout the months, you gotta have the systems because otherwise they fall apart. I see it all the time. People buy Facebook ads, but they don't have the systems in place. They don't have the follow-up skills. They don't follow up the right amount. They don't have speed to the lead. And most of all, they don't know how to convert. Their skills are very poor. They don't mirror match. They don't speak with confidence and conviction, but also they don't have the listening skills with empathy. They talk to people like people are numbers. You see, my darlings, your bank account, your success, your income, your result is a direct response of your level of confidence in your communication skills. And listening is a big part of communication. So again, you have to have the right mindset with the right approach, expectation, optimism, thinking abundance, thinking it works to move ahead. Let me ask you this. If you come to a place, if you sign up for online leads, but you already come from a place that doesn't work, what is the probability, what is the chance that you're going to tap on the potential and really work on yourself to learn the skills, to do it consistently, to do it often, to do what it takes to get the lead converted? No, you're not. If you don't believe it works, you're just gonna maybe barely try. You're gonna be a dabbler. You do it for 1 week, 3, that doesn't work. Because when you believe, you commit, and you put the time, you're gonna learn the skills, you're going to do what your coach is asking you, you're going to implement the systems, you're going to implement the structure, and you're going to improve the skills repetition. Because you see, I teach you all, I give you the formula on my Real Estate Unleashed program. The formula is right here for you. All you have to do is follow. Believe, commit, and follow. I give you the systems, I give you the structure, I teach you what to say, how to say, when to say it, I help you with the script, I give you all, and what you gotta do is believe it, commit, practice repetition, and improve your mindset. It works. It does work. I have a client, let me give you an example. I have a client who came to me and he said, Coach, I'm earning $140,000 per year in gross commission, 140. I want to double, triple my income, help me. I said, good, let's do it. I'm excited. I'm going to help you. Then he said, I don't want to do Zillow. I don't want to do online leads. They don't work. I said, they don't work? What makes you believe that? I said, darling, yes, they work. They work beautifully. What is now? He said, oh, I did it before. It didn't work. What you did before is you didn't have the right approach, the right systems, structure, and of course also you didn't have the right skills. So right away, let's shift your mindset from a place of abundance. Online leads are one of the best lead sources available. By the way, all of us should be doing more online leads because it works. So I said it's one of the best lead sources available. It's necessary for you to do it because all the buyers and sellers are out there online looking. So we're going to improve your mindset. We're going to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. We're going to shift your mindset from doesn't work to possibilities and opportunity. And I'm going to help you with the systems and the structure. And we're going to maximize, optimize your skills so you know how to mirror match. So you know how to build rapport. You know how to build gold build trust by providing gold, stacking up the gold. Because you see, my darlings, the reason you don't set a lot of appointments with online leads is because a lot of you guys are sounding like everybody else. If you don't know how to build rapport, communicate with high level of communication skills, listening well, pre-qualifying like a Jedi, and letting them know you care, you know what they want, they are important. And if you don't sound insightful, knowledgeable, and amazing, you sound like everybody else. So they're gonna talk to everybody else, and they, the people who are highly qualified in sales and education and knowing how to speak, those are the agents that are going to get the highest amount of conversion. Again, because conversion comes from your level of skills, right? Including your mindset skills. So I helped him to shift his mindset, improve his psychology. Then we put strategies in place, the structure in place. He went from doing nothing online leads to $240,000 per year, approximately, in conversion. So I took him from 140,000 first year. He came to me first year, 460,000, then we jumped to over $1 million. And over $1 million, 240,000 came from one lead source, Zillow. Today, he converts 25% of his leads on Zillow. He goes on panel from Zillow, the Zillow company. Why? Because he improved his mindset, he shifted his psychology mindset, and then we put systems in place and skills. You can do that. If it's not working for you, it's because you don't have the right approach, right? The right mindset. You don't know what you don't know. You are applying maybe the wrong strategy. Maybe you are expecting to convert all of them, and you're not going to convert all of them. 50% of them are never going to do anything. They're just checking in. They're just looking loose. So you do a beautiful job in listening, asking great questions, pre-qualify like a master, with empathy, with respect, with consideration, and you say goodbye because they're not going to go anywhere. They're not motivated. They're never going to do anything. They're just looking loose. The other 50%, 42%, they're going to do business in the next 14 to 16 months. Yeah, so you gotta nurture them. You gotta follow up with them. You gotta provide value information, great nuggets of gold all the time. So when they're ready, you're there. Okay, so 42% not gonna do anything right now. Only 8% are ready to do business today from online leads. So if you are thinking everybody going to convert, change again, change your thinking, because you're going to have to go to the sifting. You're gonna have to have patience. You have to have communication skills. You have to have structure, systems. And by the way, as you buy leads, a lot of them coming in, and if you're not doing speed to the lead, if you're not following up consistently, and you don't have systems to remind you to call again, to text again, email again, everything falls apart. So again, I'm going to finish this video giving you very clear strategic goal. It's not the lead source that's not working. It's your lack of the right psychology, lack of systems and structure, and lack of high skills. Shift this, improve your skills, learn how to present, learn how to follow up consistently, learn how to handle objection and close like a master, become a master and pre-qualify with empathy, listening carefully, build a lot of rapport and trust, and watch your business grow. Implement the right strategies with your system, so when the leads coming in, you can convert them and grow. Today, my clients are earning thousands and thousands from online leads. They sell 2-3 a month from online leads or more. You can do the same. If they can do it, you can do it. You just improve, shift your mindset for the right place of love, contribution, help, caring, and provide insight, become the trusted advisor. You put the systems in place, the structure in place, and you keep improving the skills. Learning, helping mama, knowing what to say, how to say, having the right tonality, speaking like you really care, like you really know, giving them gold all the time. If you show up with a tonality and a level of communication as a master, as the best communicator in the world, providing value, information, gold, right strategies, being very, very strategic with them, they're going to do business with you, they're going to follow you, the ones that are ready today. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some great strategies. Post here for me how much you're converting right now from Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Facebook ads. We do amazing with Facebook ads. We love it. We love online leads. It works well when our skills are ready, right? So let me know how you're doing. Please also post here whatever you want me to cover, what other topics, questions you have for us. We thank you. We're grateful for you. Keep on selling homes. Let me know if I can help you as a coach, as a trainer, what questions you have, because I'm here to serve, to take you to a higher level of conversion, of service, of joy, of energy. So thank you. Stay strong. Subscribe for my channel and share this. Share this video with someone else that you like, that you know that they need, that can help them, okay? Share your knowledge, share your energy, share your wealth, share my videos. Let's help more people. Talk to you later. Ciao.